Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a dart paper airplane. This one's even easier than the last one. So first you want to take your paper and fold it in half. Make sure it has an even crease. Okay. Then all you do is fold the corners down like you would any plane. And then you want to take each corner and fold it down one more time. So it's going to look like this. And then you take the corner and fold it over. So now it's like this. And then all you do now is just fold the edges down. And here's the dart plane. Now this one's gonna, it's not really a glider, it's more of made for speed, so it's gonna go pretty fast.